Thresher shark. It has a very long tail. It lives in open waters. It swings the tail to stun fish. Short fin mako shark. It has a pointed snout. It lives in warm and temperate seas. It is among the fastest sharks. Bull shark. It has a sturdy, thick body. It lives in coasts and rivers. It tolerates fresh and salty water. Lemon shark. It has pale yellow skin. It lives around mangroves and reefs. It often gathers in gentle groups. Blacktip reef shark. It has black tips on fins. It lives in shallow tropical lagoons. It patrols reef edges gracefully. Goblin shark. It has a long, flat snout. It lives in deep offshore waters. It extends jaws quickly when feeding. Frilled shark. It has frilly gills and long body. It lives in deep, cool seas. It moves like a slow eel. Basking shark. It has a huge open mouth. It lives in cold oceans. It filters plankton near the surface. Greenland shark. It has a thick gray body. It lives in icy northern waters. It swims slowly for many years. Angel shark. It has a flat, wide body. It lives on sandy sea floors. It ambushes prey by sudden bursts. Eagle ray. It has pointed wings and spots. It lives over sandy bottoms. It flaps smoothly like flying birds. Cownose ray. It has a forehead like a cow. It lives in warm, shallow seas. It migrates in graceful, large groups. Mobula ray. It has smaller horns than mantas. It lives in tropical open waters. It leaps above waves during feeding. Guitar fish. It has a body like guitar shape. It lives near sandy coasts. It buries partly to watch quietly. Butterfly ray. It has a very wide disc. It lives in bays and lagoons. It glides slowly close to sand. Chimera. It has a long tail and smooth skin. It lives in deep ocean slopes. It glides slowly near the bottom. Giant oarfish. It has a ribbon-like body. It lives in very deep water. It sometimes drifts near the surface.